Welcome back, folks. So today we're trying to touch on this thing a little bit more. As you saw, I was unwrapping the car cover from it, and while I was doing that, it decided to start sprinkling on me, but it's since quit. So I think we're good for a few hours. It wasn't even supposed to rain today, so I don't know, maybe it's just a thing. It's cloudy, but I'll take it over heat. Anyway, today I've got to pull the door skins off to get to the window regulators so I can unhook them, because you can't really reach it from the inside. I tried and tried. I don't want to break the clips on it, so I'm going to do it the right way. I'm going to pull the door skin off at least enough to reach it and unclip it. In doing that, I should have access to all of the internal wires aside from what's up under the dash, so I can pull everything forward, sort and organize it. The last time that I was in here, I off camera ended up labeling a lot of what's inside. Almost everything on the floor's got a label, or enough to be able to put it back to where it goes. So we're just going to continue with that. We're going to keep order of things, and by the end of this, maybe we'll make some progress. Yeah, not gonna lie, guys, this window motor regulator crap has really got me, I don't know, upset. I absolutely hate power windows. Like, absolutely hate power windows. I will never have them in a car if I can afford, if I can avoid it. That's why I'm doing the door swap. This motor and the one up on the front door there is both broken. Which means they both need replaced, which means all of this wiring has to get undone. You got to get in there and you got to do it again. I have never had to replace a crank motor ever in my life. The most that might happen is like it falls off a track or something, and even that's only happened like once. So recommendation for everybody that advocates for brand new cars: electric motors are junk, guys. Well, guys, just so you know, yeah, this is all from that one door. Got some blood there, some blood there, got a whole bunch of scratches up there. So yeah, be careful, be careful. Wear your protective equipment, which I did not do. So this is what we're looking at here. Behind the door there, you've got all that, and right there is what we're trying to reach. The crazy part is I can reach it, I can push it down. For some reason, I just cannot get that thing to pull straight back towards me. So anyway, I've been stuck on that for over an hour now. Well, keep on keeping on here. All right, wish me luck, guys. Now we're gonna go take a look at this. Look at this mess. Wires everywhere. But you know what they say when you're like spring cleaning or anything, anytime you want to clean something, you gotta make a mess to clean it first. So here we are. Probably one of the final messes to be made inside of this until it gets put back together, actually. All right, let's label. All right, guys, and like that, I got that wiring harness pulled out. So, looking pretty empty now. Heck yeah. Only wire left in here is the main power wire and whatever's up underneath the dash, which, good news, don't have to pull that out. So maybe we won't be pulling the dash off after all. I might anyway, just to keep it in place, but let's take a look at this thing. Look at the nervous system of a modern automobile. That is wild. That is wild. All right, folks, and yeah, we've got it. There's a lot of wires. Check this out. Here's a little look at just how many wires this thing's got on it. It's literally the central nervous system. Is that not the coolest thing? All of this stuff is under the hood for the engine. That over there is kind of driver's side, and then the headlight harness. Back through here, obviously that's under your dashboard right there, kick panel. This is your center console, it goes over. That all goes to the driver's side. You've got your driver doors, and over here you've got your passenger doors, your fuel sending unit, which is in the center and the rear. Actually, I think that's passenger and that's passenger door. That is tail light and everything on that area. But yeah, that's your rear deck over there. That's where where the rear window would be. All the stuff in there, your defrosters. But yeah, that's pretty wild. Pretty wild. Well, like that, guys. Took a mile's worth of cords and got it turned into 3 small, tightly coiled little rolls attached to a fuse box. Now, I believe we've still got the fuse box out in the car there. We got to take it out of the inside. So we'll probably go and do that here in a moment, or at least take a peek at what all's involved for that. I'm gonna do some exploring online and see exactly what all need to keep together here. I know I should keep the gauges and the BCM and the PCM, or ECM, I guess. Sorry. And so I need to keep the 2 computers and the gauges together. So if somebody wants to buy those, they can have all the proper functions. Everything will work in the car. But the wiring harness, it's for sale. All right, folks, so yeah, back out here in the yard. Get back out to the car, check out what's going on with it. So yeah, very empty now. Look at that. Got the wires up front there. I have a box I'm sticking all the trim stuff, but it's buried inside of the truck. So I'm gonna go probably try to pull that out. Might as well clean our mess up before we go continuing to make another one, right? This truck is pretty Nasty. Look at that. How do you tear a car apart and then keep the car? You do that. All right, we're done with that now. Gonna see exactly what we did do back here. Yeah, looks a lot better there. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Maybe there is a diamond in the rough hiding in this old thing. We'll make a show car out of you yet. I'm gonna pull up the brown stuff here in the floor. It's kind of nasty. Pull that up. We'll redo that. There's some rusty areas. Look at down in there. We'll hit that with a wire wheel and clean that up the best we can. And I think over here there might be a little bit starting down there. Yeah. So I'm gonna make sure it's perfect before we go reassembling everything. I'm gonna make sure all this goo gets cleaned out of here, get all the rat poop and anything else that might be down in there. I'd like to see if we can't get some new foam for up there and re-sound deaden the whole thing, and it'd be nice to start with a fresh chassis all the way down. So that's the plan, guys. Well, folks, that's going to be it for today. We're good. Close her on up, cover it on up. Might get a little storm action tonight, but if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. Both thumbs up. I really appreciate it if you do. In doing that, it makes the YouTube world notice my videos and show them to more people. I've noticed an increase in some likes on videos, and in return, I've also noticed an increase on the views of the videos. So go ahead and just do me that little solid if you could. But until next time, folks, peace.